Hello, I would just like to talk a little bit now about anemia in pregnancy. So anemia in pregnancy is actually very common. So there are reasons for this. Obviously, your body is producing more blood to sort of nourish the baby, and also the volume of blood can become slightly diluted. So you can be vulnerable to anemia. So especially if you're vegetarian or vegan, which a lot of people are nowadays, then you really do need to keep an eye on your nutritional diet, on your iron sources, and your vitamin B12. So if you are vegetarian or vegan, I would say that it is a very good idea to supplement during pregnancy. So take some Spartone, some Floridix, or some nutritional yeast, which is high in B12, and all of these will help you to feel better, because it's no fun being anemic when you're pregnant. I was anemic in my first pregnancy. So this kind of symptoms are obviously tiredness, which you can do without when you're pregnant and already tired. It can cause a little bit of insomnia, and it can also in Chinese medicine, we believe that it can sometimes, that blood deficiency, we call it, can actually pass to the baby in utero, and you might get a baby who doesn't really want to sleep that much, who might be waking regularly for night feeds because you've been anemic during pregnancy. So that is a whole other topic which I will cover separately, but acupuncture can really help, and you can also get dietary advice from your acupuncturist. So obviously vegetarian foods which are rich in iron include chickpeas, lentils, all the sort of pulses, leafy green vegetables, things like dried apricots, eggs if you're vegetarian, but if you're vegan, I think you should definitely consider a supplement, and acupuncture can really help as well with blood deficiency. We can help to boost, tonify blood, and give you dietary advice at the same time. So you definitely do not want to be anemic if you're about to give birth. So it can sometimes, your iron levels can drop at the end of pregnancy because the baby's laying down their own iron stores, and you definitely don't want to go into impending motherhood on the back foot and tired. So if any of that is coming up, then please do take a supplement and go and see your acupuncturist.